Hey everyone, out in the shop again today, and I was thinking about New Year's resolutions. Now, how many of you have made a New Year's resolution? Well, if you're like me, I don't really make New Year's resolutions anymore because, well, they're usually a reminder to me of my lack of willpower or my lack of motivation in my life, and they usually lead to disappointment and discouragement. So the way to avoid that is just not to make New Year's resolutions anymore. But sometimes when we do have those thoughts of making our goals and our resolutions, they're about self-improvement, dealing with maybe our weight or our motivations, and those can be great things, don't get me wrong. But when I look at the most important resolutions that we could make, the one thing I think of all the time are about our relationships and how we love people. Now, I was out in the shop today and it's getting kind of cold, and so I needed to wear some gloves, and I was reaching for my newer gloves, and they're nice and warm. But sitting next to those gloves, I noticed my old pair of gloves. They're kind of torn, they've handled a lot of splinters, and they've done a ton of work, and that's why there's all the holes in them. And I was thinking, wow, that's kind of like relationships. A lot of times when we're working hard on our relationships, we can get kind of worn, and we can get, really we're imperfect. But it's so important, it's so vital. You see, Jesus tells us that the things that are most relationship with God and our relationship with others. And so this year, instead of making a New Year's resolution, if you make those, instead of making those about our self-improvement, maybe we should make a resolution about maybe getting together with people more. You see, a lot of times we think that it's more important to have our time for ourselves, but the reality of it is the more time we spend with our friends and cultivating those relationships, those are the things that are going to last. Now, if you're introverted and you don't like hanging out with people much, it'll be a bit of a challenge. And I want to encourage you to find those people that you feel comfortable with, that you know you're not going to be judged, and go hang out with them. You'll feel better for it in the end. Well, got to get back to making more sawdust. Hi, I'm Jeff Schroy. I'm the pastor of Church by Grace, and if you like what you heard, I want to invite you to come and join us every Sunday. We meet at the Crestwell High School Auditorium. We meet at 10:15, we do a couple songs, and then we sit down and we go through the Bible. Right now we're going through the book of Acts, so I want to invite you to come and join us. Now, we are a small group, so don't be intimidated. Come on in if you're looking for connection and the Word. Come and join us. Hope to see you there.